Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the richness of the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're exploring a fascinating C1 level noun that you'll find useful in many contexts. The word of the day is admission. Let's break it down together. Admission means permission to enter a place or acceptance into an institution. You might hear this word when talking about gaining entry to a museum, a concert, or even being accepted into a university. It's a versatile term that blends the ideas of both access and approval. Now, let's look at some synonyms for admission. These include entry, access, and acceptance. For example, instead of saying, "She gained admission to the prestigious college," you could say, "She gained entry to the prestigious college." Or, instead of "his admission to the conference was confirmed," you might say, "his access to the conference was confirmed." These words share similar meanings, but can be used depending on the context. On the flip side, let's explore some antonyms for admission, like exclusion, rejection, or denial. For instance, "Her application for admission was rejected" could be rephrased as "her application for acceptance was denied." These contrasting words help highlight situations where entry or acceptance is not granted. In everyday life, admission is commonly used. Think about scenarios like, "What is the admission fee for the art gallery?" Or, "His admission to the elite club was a dream come true." You might also hear it in a more metaphorical sense, such as, "His admission of guilt came as a shock to everyone." Let me give you a few more examples of admission in action. The admission price for the theme park is $20. Her admission into the graduate program was celebrated by her entire family. His admission of the truth resolved the conflict. To wrap up, admission is a powerful noun that conveys the idea of gaining entry or being accepted, whether it's into a physical space or an institution. It's a word that bridges formal and casual settings and is one you'll encounter often. Thanks for joining me today to learn about admission. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear your own sentence using admission, so share it in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and exploring new words. See you soon.